There's mounting concern tonight about living conditions for children in the Texas foster care system, with the latest data revealing more than 280 children spent 2 or more nights in a state office or other unlicensed facility. That has increased from numbers KXAN investigators first reported just 2 weeks ago. Our investigator Avery has the latest on what's being called a capacity crisis.
They need someone in court to say what they want and try to help them get what they want.
That's what Carrie Ward does every day as a family and child protection attorney. She says foster kids having to stay in state offices or hotels isn't a new problem. But in the last 4 months,
it's out of control.
One teen rushed to the hospital after taking 15 pills they found in a caseworker's workstation. Another child ran away 4 different times from the office where she was staying and may have been sexually assaulted. These are just 2 examples from a new report released by a group of court monitors overseeing the foster care system while a federal lawsuit plays out against the state. Their report found incidents of physical aggression and self-harm in more than 50% of the kids living in offices, hotels, or unlicensed facilities. Often, traditional foster families can't take them, while more residential treatment facilities are closing their doors under increased scrutiny from the lawsuit and pressures of the pandemic. And according to the head of the Department of Family and Protective Services last week, some kids are refusing placement in order to stay in offices.
But it's less structured. Staff can't make kids do anything.
These are highly traumatized, very complex children with high needs.
Scott Lundy's organization, Arrow Child and Family Ministries, is trying a different approach, offering specialized training and behavioral support to people willing to become what's called a treatment foster family.
There's not a kid's issue and not a child's trauma that can't be healed better in a family.
Carrie Ward agrees, but with data showing 20% of Travis County foster kids having to go to other regions around the state, she worries her clients and the system need a more urgent solution.
Anymore, there's no figuring out where's the best place. That used to be a thing. Now it's where's available.
Avery, KXAN Investigates.
It is important to note the court monitors actually found several improvements from the Department of Family and Protective Services. They even said in areas that are still under the state's control, like Austin, foster care is performing better than places like San Antonio, where the state has outsourced the work to private agencies, an effort called community-based care. In particular, the monitors report focused on children being illegally housed in an emergency shelter in San Antonio called the Whataburger Center, which had been cited hundreds of times for dangerous conditions. The monitors accused Governor Greg Abbott and other state leaders of knowing about the situation there for months and doing nothing about it. You can read more about this at KXAN.com.